Designing Disney's Animal Kingdom will reveal several destinations in the park. At each one, Joe Rohde will share principles, experiences, and examples that have guided the design of Disney's Animal Kingdom. Joe is currently a creative portfolio executive at Walt Disney Imagineering and has over 30 years' experience in theme park design. He's led the conceptualization, design, and production of Disney's Animal Kingdom and all subsequent installations, including the current Avatar project. Joe travels extensively for work and pleasure and has visited some of the most remote corners of the globe, most recently returning from Mongolia, where his Explorers Club flag expedition, The Leopard in the Land, has him painting large-scale 19th century style landscapes in snow leopard habitat to raise money and awareness for these endangered cats. And now, we hope you enjoy this inside look into designing Disney's Animal Kingdom.